Hey loves, today we're taking it back to the basics and I'm going to show you how to color royal icing. Now yes, my royal icing is in a Buc-ee's cotton candy container, but that just goes to show you. You can store your royal icing in anything that has a lid on it. So I reused this cotton candy container and it is now my royal icing storage. And it stores a good bit. Now I took this icing out of the refrigerator. I had it in the refrigerator for probably a week. And so it's nice and stiff, but this was a thick icing to begin with. And so that's why it's pretty stiff. So once I put this in my bowl, I'm just going to add some water so I can loosen it up to the consistency that I would like. So pretty much whenever you are coloring your royal icing, all you're going to need is a gel color. Do not use food coloring. You use gel color, and all you need is your water or confectionery sugar. That way you can make the icing whatever consistency you need it to be. Now usually I use Color gel colors, but I wanted to try a new color that I found off Amazon. So I got Chef Master colors and Cake Supply colors. So I use the Cake Supply colors. I've used their airbrush colors before, but I never used their gel. So I'm very curious to see kind of what the colors are going to do. Yes, I don't want to use too much color because it can create streaks if I add too much color, but I want to make sure that this gives like just a nice pretty shade. Now the first color I'm going to use is their Super Red. Usually, well, it's not called Super Red, it's called Christmas Red. Usually I use the Color Gel Super Red, which it does not take a lot of drops at all. It really gets that nice dark red color that you like. Now this Christmas red, it's taking me a little longer to get it to the shade that I want, so I'm just adding some more drops to it. Now this is the Color gel I was telling you about, the Super Red. Now while this Christmas red, it came out as a pretty color, it didn't really deepen too much over time, just kind of slightly. You will find with Color gels, the color is going to deepen as the time goes on. So you don't have to make it as dark as you want it because it will get darker. This Christmas red, it didn't really do that for me. Now if you stay with me to the end, oh my goodness, I just appreciate it so much. Comment colors in the comment section so I can know that you watched this video to the end. I hope it was helpful for you all. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you in the next one.